Hey there, business owners. Are you tired of spending countless hours managing your WordPress site instead of focusing on your business? Do you feel overwhelmed by the never-ending manual tasks that eat up your valuable time? You're not alone. I get it, running a WordPress site can feel like a full-time job. Whether you're handling an online store, a membership site, or just maintaining your digital presence, the daily grind can be exhausting. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim your time and boost your productivity without sacrificing quality? Introducing WordPress Automation Mastery from Digitabuzz Academy. This 8-part video course is your ultimate guide to automating those tedious tasks and streamlining your website management. With WordPress Automation Mastery, you'll discover powerful strategies to simplify website maintenance, automate content scheduling, optimize SEO, and even manage e-commerce functions. Imagine having more time to focus on growing your business while your site runs smoothly in the background. But wait, there's more. Enroll now and get an exclusive bonus ebook, WordPress Automation Mastery, Streamline Your Site and Save Time. This premium guide is packed with expert insights to help you maximize efficiency and automate key processes like content publishing, SEO optimization, backups, and security. You'll learn how to integrate third-party tools, streamline e-commerce order management, simplify social media sharing, and so much more. Whether you're a blogger, business owner, or developer, this course and ebook are designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools needed to take control of your WordPress site. So, why is this the perfect solution for you? It's comprehensive, actionable, and focused on real-world applications. This isn't just theory. You'll get step-by-step guidance to implement automation techniques immediately. Plus, the course is accessible and affordable, making it the ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance their online presence without breaking the bank. Don't let manual tasks hold you back. Transform the way you manage your WordPress site today with WordPress Automation Mastery. Ready to unlock the secrets of WordPress automation and reclaim your time? Enroll now. Remember, time is money. Invest in yourself and your business with WordPress Automation Mastery. See you on the inside. Enroll now.